Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw vegan chocolate bars. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. So let's start. Firstly, we have to put in a blender soaked for at least 8 hours nuts. I will use almonds. We also add some dates. Of course, also soaked for at least 2-3 hours. Just be aware of pits inside them. We add some carob or non-alkalized cocoa. We also use some non-iodized salt and we mix everything together. We put the mass in a bowl and we can start making second layer. We also use nuts. I will use almonds again. We need any other dried fruit than dates, for example raisins or apricots. We add a banana. We divide it into smaller pieces and add some salt and carob or cocoa. We mix everything together. When both masses are ready, we take some from first one and form a shape we want. On it, we will put second layer. We put our bars into freezer. In the meantime, we can make chocolate icing. The link how to make it is of course in the description below. We take out the bars when they are freezed and put the chocolate icing on them. Due to the fact that the bars are cold, the icing immediately starts to harden. And it's ready! All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Bon appetit!